Good evening, and I'm here to just post some videos. So right now, I'm just reminiscing about the past. So I watch a lot of Gunpla, which is this mechanic toy that you assemble, and Beyblade, particularly the Beyblade X, which is a newly released Beyblade. And as you can see, my English is a little bit improving now, and my Duolingo is continuous. I don't know, but I'm sure that it's 250 plus days since I've done Duolingo, and I'm looking forward for my 365 days. And yeah, I did a lot of Duolingos. I watch videos of Dave